What's up, guys? Kalen Bryan here from freedomlifeinfluencer.com, and in this video I'm going to give a high-level, brief, step-by-step tutorial on Clickfunnels. Okay, I'll show you how to log in, how to create an account, and where you need to go to create your own funnel, and then I'll go over the step-by-step process on doing that. Okay, and then at the end of this video, comment below if you would like me to build or would like me to share with you one of my most successful funnels. Because I can do that. If you like and subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell, I will give you access to a free funnel that's high converting, already done for you. All you have to do is do the integrations. Okay, so so if you like this video or like this kind of content, hit the thumbs up button. Also subscribe and hit the notification bell. Okay, guys. So let's get right into it. So why use Clickfunnels, right? A lot of people, affiliate marketers, let's say they go to ClickBank, you know, they get a nice offer that's high converting and they send traffic to that offer. Okay, yeah, make sales that way, and you can, but you want to be able to capture the people, capture the traffic that's going directly to your sales offer. Okay, you're losing money and you're just leaving money on the table without having a funnel. You need a funnel to capture the person's name and the email address, and then they go to the sales offer. Okay, because they already want to, whatever you did to get them to click on the link or your link to drive that traffic, they already want to know more, right? So they're going to put their information in, their name and their email, or just have their email, and they're going to be added to your list, because you know everyone has heard the saying, the money is in the list. Well, guess what? That's true. The money is in the list. The money is in the list, because after you get that lead, then later on you can just send them an email, one-click button, and you send a nice valuable email market campaign to them with free content, or you can send them more ClickBank offers or more affiliate offers that you come across, right? So, and then you won't have to pay for that traffic. That's your traffic, 100% free down the road. Okay, so having a funnel is important, is key to make you more money online. You can make money sending them straight to the sales offer, but you can make tons of more money with creating a funnel. Okay, so make sure you understand that. That's one hack that a lot of marketers leave on the table and do not teach. So make sure you get this funnel. So let's get right into it. So if you don't have a Clickfunnels account, all you do is go to Clickfunnels. Can't spell it now. Clickfunnels.com, right? The link will be in the description. Go to Clickfunnels.com. This is your dashboard. Let me sign out so that you can see what it's like without having an account. Okay. I know. Okay, so here it is. So once you get to this page, this is just an overview of what ClickFunnels is. There'll be a video here by Brunson, the creator of ClickFunnels, and it's 14 days. It's a 14-day free trial. So if you click the link below in this video, you get a 14-day free trial. If you don't like it, you can just end your account and you won't have to pay a dime. But after that, it's like $97 a month. Okay, but you should be making money before you even have to pay the $97 for the 14-day trial. And if you don't, just like I said, just cancel your membership. Okay, so you're getting an account. I already have one. Members log in. You'll log in, right? And then it'll take you step by step on how to create a funnel. So you do Clickfunnels, funnels, or build funnel. I go straight to funnels because I already have some here. Okay, so video test, CB affiliate, so these are some of the funnels that I've already created a while back. But if you don't have one, you click add new, and then you go to your cookbook, but you don't want a cookbook, you want a create new funnel. So you go here, create new funnel, right? And the whole purpose for affiliate marketers or making money online, you want to capture an email or get a name and email. The email is the most important part. So collect emails. You can sell your products. If you're doing drop shipping and you don't want to set up a whole Shopify store, you can have one funnel page that just details out one product, and then you can go like one product and then they click the add to cart button, and you can do an upsell, another funnel to upsell them to another product. And it's just a good systematic process that ClickFunnels has that Shopify really does not. So you can do that, or you can host webinars. But for this purpose, we're going to collect emails, okay? Because we, like I said, we chose an offer from ClickBank. Now we want to send traffic to that offer, but first to our funnel. So you name the funnel. I'll say video test. I'll do the same thing, video test. Okay, and then build funnel. And it'll load. It'll start building your funnel for you. And then, see, funnel was successfully created. And then you choose your template. Okay, you want to go with a template that's nice and clean and slick looking, not too busy, because you don't want your traffic to like go off into space. Or, oh man, it's a lot, it's too much. So you can choose whatever you like, but I always tend to go for something simple and simplistic, like this one here, super clean opt-in. Let's select this template. Okay, so we've chosen the template. It's going to start building it for us. Creating. Okay, and then edit page. And this is the page, and then you edit it just like any other document, right? So you can discover the #1 trick for double conversions. That's a good one there. Or let's say you have a free affiliate marketing guide. You can say get access to free step-by-step affiliate marketing guide, right? And so then the report, and then this guide reveals, or let's say great guide for beginners. Right, and you can go in here and edit it as however you want to edit it. You can bold it. You can go to settings here, this little button here, and then change the color, text color to red, whatever you want to do. Red, or you can change some words. I believe. No, you have to do all of them. So you can add another box and do different editing for it if you want to. And then also, after you have that, you enter their email address, right? If you want their name also, you can go to elements, right, and add an element. And then your form, it will be, here's in the way, input, yeah, input there, right? And then it's not an email, so you can do enter name. Right, so then your traffic will enter the name, they enter their email address, and then they'll download their free report today, or free, you take free guide. Okay, and that's how you create your funnel. All right, so but let's go to ClickBank, one of my accounts here, my account that I show for video purposes. Let's pick one, e-business and marketing. I'm just going to pick a link here just to show you what you'll do next. Okay, so here's my link from ClickBank. Yes, it's ugly, but we're doing this through a funnel, right? So after you set your funnel up, you'll go to general settings, general, because you want your, let's go back, because right now you created your formatting, you've done everything, you got your name, their email address, they'll enter it in, but when they hit the button, where are they going to go? What's next? So this is what we're doing now. So settings, general, then on submit, go to and you want to send them to that sales page, right? Sales page, and then save. Oh, we gotta change this. I'm going to do a video test too. So this is basically a title so that when your link is recognizable in the description in SEO, so you should name this whatever your funnel is about. So if it's a make money online funnel, make it a make money online funnel, affiliate marketing guide. So this is a free affiliate marketing guide. Okay, and then you also want to put that in your description. Okay, and then put some keywords in there and your name. And this is how it will show up as the SEO preview free affiliate marketing guide. You can add more description there if you want to, but you don't have to. Okay, and so on settings, general, let's make sure our sales page is there. On go, this is where they'll go. They go to this, right to our sales page. Okay, but where's the email going to go? So you also want to integrate a autoresponder. So settings, integration. I use Aweber. Aweber is a really good email autoresponder. If you want to use get Aweber, that will be in the description too, the link to get that. Also, go to aweber.com and create an account, sign up for them, and then what you'll do is you will integrate. Go to integrations, right? And then you'll select the integration. So I use Aweber. Then the action, I'm going to integrate an existing list. And Aweber shows you how to do this. Go to help, and they'll give you a tutorial on how to integrate your email list with Clickfunnels. Okay, but it's important that you do that, because once you have this, once your traffic enters their email, you want the email to go to a specific list. Okay, so this is important. The integration is important, and making sure it goes to the sales page after they input their information is also important. Okay, so I'm gonna select one of my lists. Let's choose that one, and then it's connected. Okay, and then save. All right, so we set up our funnel. We made no adjustments, no edits. That's just a slight edit. Do whatever you make it, however you want to. Your traffic will enter their name, they'll enter their email address, and then they'll click download the free report. Their email and their name will go directly to your autoresponder. Okay, Aweber or Get Response, whatever you want to do. And after they hit submit, they'll go to the sales page where we're promoting. And on that sales page, it should have that free step-by-step affiliate marketing guide. Okay, if you don't have a guide and you have a video, usually the affiliates will offer free videos for you, so you can give your audience a free video, and then when they get onto the sales page, they'll see that free video instantly. Okay, so it's important. ClickFunnels, you need it to really catapult and have a successful, sustainable affiliate business or any online business, and also an email autoresponder. I use Aweber. You can also use Get Response. Okay, these three resources are vital and very important to your business. Okay, so you want to make sure you have these, or you're leaving money on the table. All right, the links below and below this video in my description, I have all three of those. I have ClickFunnels, I have Aweber, and I also have Get Response. All of these have 14-day free trials with the links below. You want to get these resources, I'm telling you. And also, I do have a free step-by-step affiliate marketing guide below. Also, that'll be the #1 link. You can check that out. It'll show you how to begin and start right now with your business. So just check it out, guys. And like I said at the beginning of this video, leave a comment below. You have to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like this video, and comment below that you want a free funnel that I'll share with you that is high converting, that you can go ahead and use today. Just integrate your autoresponder and your sales page, and you're good as golden. Okay, let me know in the comments below if you want that. Like I said, you have to like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment that you want the free funnel. Okay, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like it. But that's all I have for you. Caleb Bryant.